The year is 1754. The winds of change rustle through the American colonies. 13 distinct colonies stretch along the Atlantic coast. Conflict looms from the French and their Native American allies. 13 colonies stand on the brink of war and uncertainty. Amid tension, a bold idea of unity and self-governance begins to take root. In June of 1754, as threats from the French and Native American alliances grew, representatives from 7 colonies met in Albany. Their mission was to forge a united front in defense and governance. At the heart stood Benjamin Franklin, a visionary ahead of his time. Franklin's proposal was simple yet revolutionary: a unified government for the colonies. This Grand Council would manage relations with Native Americans and coordinate defense. It was an ambitious step toward self-governance, proposing unity against common threats. The room darkens as delegates express concerns. Some worry about losing autonomy, others fear the Crown's reaction. Franklin listens, nodding, but the resistance is palpable. Fearful of losing autonomy, the delegates could not agree. The Albany Plan of Union was set aside, unimplemented. The camera pulls back to show Franklin walking alone through Albany's streets, the plan tucked under his arm. The scene shifts to a broader view of the American landscape, symbolizing the spread of ideas across the colonies. Though the plan was never adopted, its significance endured. The Albany Plan of Union laid the groundwork for future cooperation. It was a precursor to the Continental Congress and an early echo of the Declaration of Independence. In these first stirrings of unity, the dream of a nation was born. The final shot fades into the iconic image of the Declaration of Independence being signed overlaid with the words, "E pluribus unum," out of many, one. From the embers of the Albany Plan, the flame of American unity began to burn. And though it flickered, it would one day blaze into a light, guiding a new nation to its destiny.